Spencer.
And Brittany Gatewood.
What is PEG? PEG stands for polyethylene glycol. It is a compound that is used in many life applications. It can have medicinal uses, chemical uses, biological uses, commercial uses, and industrial uses. Structure of PEG. This is the structure of PEG where the N represents the number of ethylene glycol units contained in the PEG polymer. The different types of PEG. The molecular weight, which is determined by the number of glycol units, determines the types of PEG categories. PEG 400, meaning that the average molecular weight of this certain PEG is 400. It is strongly hydrophilic. 400 means that it is among the low weight grade, used as a base for many face creams, and also used in HP printers as an ink solvent. It is clear and colorless. PEG 3350, meaning that the average weight of this PEG is 3,350, also known as Miralax. It is used to clean out intestines before a colonoscopy or barium enema when it is mixed with electrolytes. Ten drugs that use PEG. We picked 10 drugs that use PEG and read articles about them.
Galateline is a laxative used in cleansing bowel for various examinations such as colonoscopies and x-rays. It contains PEG 3350, sodium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, and potassium chloride. How does it make the drug better? Galateline uses PEG 3350 to retain water in stool to increase the number of soft bowel movements.
Ibuprofen. In this study, they used ibuprofen with PEG to see if it would improve the and anti-inflammatory activity. Why is it better? According to the study, adding PEG to the ibuprofen increased the dissolution rate of the ibuprofen. It is stated that this might be due to the formation of the microcrystals and the increase in the dispersibility and wettability of the PEG 8000. It also helped with the anti-inflammatory ability by having 90% edema inhibition, while ibuprofen alone has 77%.
Osmoprep. Osmoprep is given to patients that are preparing for a surgery such as gastro-bypass or that may have gastrointestinal obstruction. Along with PEG 3350, it contains sodium phosphate in 2 different forms, so prescribed dosage should be taken with caution. How is it better? PEG 3350 in Osmoprep has a large volume so that it can cleanse the intestinal lumen. This can significantly impact accurate detection of lesions prior to surgical analysis.
Methylprednisolone sodium succinate. In this article, they added PEG to MSS to see the effect that it will have on dogs with invertebral disc herniations. Why is PEG an improvement? Well, according to this article, there was not only an improvement made by adding PEG.
Cholite. Cholite contains both PEG 3350 and electrolytes. This drug can be used for gastroretention in a patient that may have toxic colitis or a megacolon. This is an abnormal dilation of the colon that can cause paralysis. How is it better? PEG 3350 has a great impact on cholite by producing fatty acids that pull water into the colon to increase intestinal contraction, since cholite cannot be absorbed in the digestive system.
Amphotericin B. In this study, they used amphotericin B with PEG to improve antifungal efficacy. Why is it better? Well, according to this article, it states that with PEG, there was no increase in vitro toxicity to the cells. It also says that it improves the solubility of the amphotericin B and increases the therapeutic index.
Dulcolace syrup. Dulcolace syrup is available in both a powder and syrup. The oral syrup has a more efficient impact on the body and gives maximum ease of stool passage. Many chemicals in Dulcolace are inactive, which are shown on the right, but they do play a part in the colon cleansing process. How is it better? Patients commonly have a bowel movement within 12 to 72 hours. If you do not have one after 3 days, you should contact your physician. Delayed bowel movement reduces nausea and diarrhea from occurring.
Curcumin. In this article, they use PEG with curcumin to see if it would improve the solubility. How is it better? It increases the solubility rate by 2,000-fold and also made the release rate more constant. It also increased the bioavailability of the curcumin nanoparticles. Lactic acid. In this article, they use PEG with lactic acid-based particles as a protein delivery system. Why is it better? It is said that it helped induce no toxic response in the mice. It also helped the particles become more efficient as carriers for protein release.
Laxiclear. Laxiclear contains microgol 3350. It is another form of PEG 3350 and a mixture of the listed salts. It is only used for a short-term relief. The chemical mixture can become addicting, so it is suggested to stop use after 5 days. How is it better? With PEG 3350 in Laxiclear, it helps reduce the following side effects: nausea